Hello everyone, this is Angel from Wildflower Crossing. Happy Wednesday. Just showing you one of our 4-bedroom MHE models. Beautiful home, good sized living room. You walk right into it. Beautiful walls, full drywall. This kitchen is gorgeous with a huge island, great for preparing your Thanksgiving meals, holiday activities. You have it all here. Beautiful cabinetry. All of the appliances are Frigidaire and black. We do have a gas stove. And then we have this mudroom here that leads to your back door. This is where your washer dryer will go. Gas or electric hookups, so that is amazing. No matter what kind you have, you're going to be able to install it here. We've got a really useful utility sink here and a seating area to put on your shoes or take them off when you get home after a long day. Like I said, this floor plan does have 4 bedrooms, so we're going to have the primary bedroom right off of the living room. It is fantastic size. You can fit a California king size bed in here, no problem. Outlets on all 4 walls, which is amazing. And then we have the ensuite bathroom. So we have porcelain sinks, so that is amazing. No scratches on those. And then we have the walk-in showers here in the primary ensuite bathroom. Also in the primary, you have a walk-in closet with shelving already installed for you. So that is amazing. You can come in and turn around. Room for all of your things. This is a split floor plan, so we do have the remaining 3 bedrooms on the other side. We've got this amazing dining area space. You could utilize this space any way you choose. You could make it into a second living area, a gaming area, a home office, you name it, the options are endless. We have one of the other 3 bedrooms here with a good sized closet located over here. And then we have the twin bedrooms here. They are the exact same. They are just opposite one another. So again, beautiful large closets, shelving already installed. You do go back behind, so you got lots of room to store all your things in this home. Then we have the 3rd bedroom at this end of the house. Again, it's twinsies to the one next door. Again, with the closets, shelving already installed. And one last thing I'm going to show you is the restroom. This is the main restroom. So again, it has porcelain sinks, cabinetry for all your needs. You have area next to your sink to place the things that you use daily, which is amazing. Apartments definitely don't have that. And then we have the 1-piece tub, which is virtually maintenance free. You just got to clean it and you're good to go. If you have any questions or you want to reserve your MHE 4-bedroom home, you can give us a call at 517-769-4365. Again, my name is Angel. You can also visit our website, 4leafprop.com/communities/wildflower crossing. Thanks.